So this is your man cave?
One off.
Okay then, so I guess you have houses like you have vehicles.
Well, I have more vehicles than houses. Care for something to drink?
Can I get a melon beer or a sour beer?
Sure. Yes.
Thank you.
Look, see this? This is my favorite.
Is there a reason?
For what?
Is this where you take all your virginities? So, where is the color that you mark when you take all the females here?
Trust me, you won't find that here.
If you say so.
Janice. Look, the fact that I have money and I live alone, you know you think to me is a womanizer, I know.
Are you?
Not even close. See, most of my relationship ended because women tried to play me, right? Because of my money and all of that. So they think that I would just give them something to keep them around.
And how do you know I won't do the same?
Good question. But that's a chance I'm willing to take.
Rory, are you sure we're not moving too fast?
If I was moving too fast, I would ask you to come and live with me at the main house. But I won't do that. Happy belated birthday.
Thank you. Are you serious? Is this
Real? Yes, it is. You see, John, I just want to be the man that Paul wasn't for you. I just want to make sure that you're happy and keep a smile on your face.
I really don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. Just know that you have your own place and you can decide what you want to do and where you want to take our relationship.
I can tell you where I want to go with our relationship now.
Where?
Where is my bedroom? that the front door?
It's not possible. Because I'm not expecting anyone.
Should I come? Paul?
Yo, what you doing at my house?
That no concern you.
Paul, let's talk. Can't stop me?
Janice. You know, I feel I couldn't live without you. But can't. Oh, why am I alive? Like, why am I?
And do you believe coming here with a gun is gonna convince me to come back to you? It won't. I'm with dollars now.
So, what if Dallas never in that picture?
What do you mean?
Brother, come out of my place.